Zash Cartoons.
Oh no, it's raining! Go away! Go outside and wait! Away, go away. Come and get another day. Little bunny wants to play, and the kids are jumping all the way. Sunshine, peek-a-boo. Come on out, we're counting on you. Kids with kites and bikes so bright, wanna play from noon to night. Rain, rain, you're so loud, tapping fast on playgrounds crowd. Swings are wet and slides are slick, the kids all want the sun back quick. Trip, drop, boots go stomp, 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 splashing puddles as they romp. But inside games can't match the cheer of kids outdoors with friends so near. Froggy hops past skipping feet, where chalk art lines the sunny street. But now the drawings start to fade, washed away by the rain cascade. Butterfly flutters by the slide, kids wave as she tries to hide. Rain clouds chase her all around, she lands softly on the ground. Teddy's tea is on the grass, kids in dress-up cheer and laugh. The thunder rumbles, tea is done, they all shout, we miss the sun. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Kids want fun and sky so blue, so let the sunshine come on through. Yay, the sun is back. Let's go outside and play.
Zash Cartoons.